Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the difference between pixel, em and rem units. These three units are the most common units we use it for font size. Actually these units can be applied to other properties like margin, padding, etc. But most of us use only for font size. Okay, what's the difference between these units? We can actually set the default font size which needs to be used in the browser. In Chrome browser, we can see this under Appearance section. Here the font size has been set to medium, which is recommended. I can increase or decrease using the drop-down values available. When we use pixel units, this setting do not have any impact. The font size will be always fixed. Let us verify this using a simple program. I have a container div inside which I have three divs with classes pixel unit, em unit and rem unit respectively. For pixel unit, I have used a font size of 20 pixel, and for em unit, I have used a font size of 2em, and for rem unit, I have used a font size of 3rem. Let us preview this. Currently in my browser, font size is set to medium. So 1em and 1rem will be considered as 16 pixel. If I inspect, I can see the actual font sizes. For the first one, I can see 20 pixel which is fixed always. For the second one, I can see font size is computed to 32 pixel which is 2 times 16 pixel. And for the last one, I can see font size is now 48 pixel which is 3 times 16 pixel. Now if I increase the font size in browser to very large which is 24 pixel, I can still see the pixel unit is not changed, but em unit is now 48 pixel which is 2 times 24 pixel and rem unit is 72 pixel which is 3 times 24 pixel. So now you know it is better to use em or rem units when compared to pixel units. But what is the difference between em and rem? Which one is better to use? To explain that, I am going to revert my browser settings to default one. And I am adding a font size of 40 pixel to the HTML tag and 18 pixel to the container class, which is the parent to all three children. If I inspect, I can see the pixel unit is still 20 pixel which is fixed one, but em unit is now 36 pixel which is 2 times the font size of container. And rem unit is 120 pixel which is 3 times the font size mentioned in the HTML which is the root. So we can understand em unit always inherit from the parent element and rem unit ignores parent and consider only the font size used in the root. So it is better to use rem unit because we have better control on that. Also it is not wrong to use em unit, but we should use that with little care. I hope you understood the difference between pixel, em and rem units. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Also please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.